In this video, I'll detail how to remove apps name on iPhone home screen on iOS 18. So literally you see all your apps bearing their name on your home screen, just like this. And if you go to the app library, you discover that the names are not visible. So here, you learn how you can easily remove this app's name from the apps on your iPhone home screen. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you just need to do to remove app's name on your iPhone home screen is just press and hold the home screen just like this to make the home screen editable. Then click on the edit button at the top left. Now once you click on that, click on customize. Then here you'll be able to customize your iPhone from dark mode to light mode and then tinted mode. At the same time, you'll be able to remove the app's name from the home screen. All you just need to do here is click on large. Then once you selected large, this is going to make the app icons larger and then remove the app name from the home screen. So if you click outside that, then check through, you discover that all your apps names have been removed. Now to return this, all you just need to do is press and hold the home screen just like this again. Click on edit, then select customize. Afterward, click on small. So this is going to bring back the app's name to your iPhone home screen. So this way you can easily remove or add app's name to apps on iPhone home screen on iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.